guys, today we have another unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when there's a new video. Today we are unboxing Fall's Fab Fit Fun's box. So I was excited to get this. It's my first full box, my first membership. So let's see what we got. Guys, I am so excited. I got all kinds of stuff. This is my first full box and I'm just excited. I'm excited. All right. So we got I thought this was the cutest little saying. This is cool. I got one of these on my trial box, so this may be a giveaway. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. I am so in need of a relaxing evening with feet masks. So I have this whipped cleansing cream. My face is fairly sensitive, so I'm really hoping that this does something good and doesn't break out. You guys, I couldn't resist. So I've actually never owned a toner, so this is my first toner, so let's see how it goes. This is probably the fanciest mask set I have ever seen. It comes with a brush too, so I'm excited to use it. Alright, so it's exciting to see that there's another bag in this box. The first box I got as a trial had a purse, which I happen to use almost every day, by the way. So I'm excited. Thank you for that. So with this one, I thought it was super cute. This yellow is awesome. But what made it really cool is the fact that it's a cooler. And since I live in Florida, then having this to go to the beach with, to go to the pool with is really cool. It's cute, it's adorable. So I'm glad. Thank you. Cool, so we have a brow pencil. I'm all about brows, so I'm really excited to try this out and see how it makes me feel. I just wanted I was at Ross because I was redoing my room, right? So I actually wanted to get a diffuser, so I'm so excited that I have one in here. So this was my fall box from Fab Fit Fun. I think it was pretty cool. Most of the things I believe are really useful. I got that makeup eraser that I have before, so I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway for my next box unboxing video. So stay tuned for that if you want to sign up to get that for free. I don't know if anyone's ever looked through this book, the magazine that comes with it, but it's super cute and it has some stuff that you could definitely get into. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.